Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War on your mobile device. It's an exciting way to experience this classic franchise on the go, transforming your phone or tablet into a powerful gaming machine. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, from understanding the necessary services to optimizing your setup for the best possible gameplay. Get ready to dive into the action and battle the low-cost horde from almost anywhere with a solid internet connection. To begin your mobile Gears of War adventure, you'll need access to Xbox Cloud Gaming. This fantastic service is included with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which offers hundreds of games. It allows you to stream many Xbox titles, including various Gears of War entries, directly to your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the Xbox Game Pass app, sign in with your Microsoft account, and you're ready to explore a vast library of games. For an optimal experience, a few key elements are essential. First, a strong internet connection, ideally at least 20 megabits per second, minimizes lag. Second, a compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended, as it provides precise control for intense combat. While some games offer touch controls, a physical controller truly elevates the experience. Finally, ensure your mobile device runs a recent operating system version for full compatibility with the Xbox Game Pass app. To truly optimize your mobile Gears of War experience, consider these tips. Playing closer to your Wi-Fi router or utilizing a 5 GHz network band can significantly reduce latency. Closing unnecessary background applications on your device frees up valuable resources and internet bandwidth. While cloud gaming handles most processing, a clear device helps. Experiment with any available in-game settings, such as resolution or frame rate, to find the perfect balance for your connection and device, ensuring fluid gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.